So I ordered from Treats. Let's find out what I got. Chocolate gelato. Nom nom nom. Definitely hot stuff. You can feel it's warm. Nicely packaged. Let's see how the content is. Dun dun dun. Do you like the sound effects? Sounds amazing. Bit disappointed. As you can see, it's the large M&Ms. And they've crushed them. The last time I got it was the small M&Ms, like Smarties, but not Smarties. And disappointed in the amount of chocolate that they've given me on my waffle. The only good thing is it's warm. And not a lot of M&Ms, not like their pictures. So Treats, I'm afraid this is a thumbs down. But thank you for the chocolate ice cream. I guess it makes up for it a little bit. Thank you, and I shall tuck into this now.